Hey, block, crank it up.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Eres de Cuba?
Sí.
Soy americano. De Nuevo Orleans. Louisiana.
Sí.
Yo trabajo con fotógrafos y películas. Sí.
Qué bien.
Sí. Sí. That's yes. Tienes hermoso la ciudad. Beautiful country. Cuba is beautiful.
Ah,
Sí, sí, sí.
y La Habana tiene muchos lugares lindos.
It's a good place.
Muchos lugares lindos.
Sí. Saliendo noche last night.
Malecón.
No.
Discoteca.
Sí.
Ah.
Sí. Had a good time. Bien tiempo. All right, man. You sound like cold, like still with my necklace, ticket. All right, so y'all see the art, street art. It smell a little like piss over here. You heard me? I'm gonna try to give y'all all the senses. I know you can see, but you can't. You can see and hear, but you can't smell. And that's one thing. When you walking through Cuba, you might just smell some horse shit. You might just smell urine. I'm gonna walk probably to like 9:45. Then I'm gonna just catch a taxi. But I want y'all to see, man. Y'all see this? Y'all see the Toro Castle? And another thing in Cuba you gotta watch out for is dog shit, cat shit, all over the place, y'all. It remind me of Mardi Gras. It remind me of Mardi Gras before the street sweepers come and sweep everything up. Sometimes the floor you be walking and shit be slippery. You dig? But we out here. Shit, what you talking about? Y'all see that? 2 + 2 = 5. Alright, I've been walking the shit, not even a quarter mile. These shoes ain't what's up. Shoes ain't what's up. But I want y'all to see what I see. I see people out fishing on the Malecon. Yeah, I want to do some fishing too. But I'm fishing for gatita. I want some gatita. Yeah. What's up, bro? Oh, you too, bro.
Where are you from?
You too. Nueva Orleans.
United States?
See.
I have families in United States. My
That's...
grandfather go to the America here in 98 in the boat.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
First time Cuba.
Sí.
Welcome to Havana, Happy New Year.
Gracias, me encanta Cuba. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful country.
Cuba, the best in Cuba is mojito drink, smoking Habano, dancing the salsa, the Cuban woman. Yes, beautiful woman. Whoa. My name is Jabo. I am working right for History Center.
Say what?
I am working for History Center.
Oh, tourist center.
Yes. I have a city tour, my friend. Go to the Capitol, Guajirito restaurant in this place. The 9 o'clock is possible.
¿Cuánto?
1 hour for you, 25.
Okay.
1 hour. Che Guevara House, Hemingway House, look, Revolution Square.
Okay.
Cemetery.
How long does the tour take? An hour, you said?
In 1 hour, it's possible to see the different places.
Okay.
Take a picture, information.
I'm going to Rafeal Trejo boxeo gym.
The boxing.
Sí.
Practice boxing. In Old Havana, it's possible to see the gym, the big gym for the boxing.
Okay.
In Old Havana, yes.
Okay, yeah, that's why I'm gonna walk a little bit, get some footage, and then I'm gonna catch a taxi to Rafeal. Let's see, what time is that? 10. Could you pick me up from the gym at 10, 11, 11:30?
Hello. Yes, it's possible.
You can do that?
Yes, possible. 1 hour, the tour is finishing the place.
No. I would like to finish back here, because make me Airbnb.
Okay. You hotel.
See.
No, house. The house.
Yeah, the house. Yeah. Okay, ¿cuánto for the pick me up and all that? How much?
Go the gym and come back.
See, and the tour.
And the tour, okay. 1 hour, 25.
25.
25. Go to the gym now.
Gym?
For you.
No, not now. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk, and then I'm gonna catch a taxi because I gotta see. I want to see the sights. And then when I'm done boxeo, you pick me up, you do the tour, you drop me off back here, I give you the netto. Despacio, por favor.
I understand a little more.
Okay. I want to. I'm gonna walk for a little bit. Then I'm gonna catch a taxi because it's far. See, it's far. After I train, you pick me up.
Where?
At the gym, Rafeal Trejo. See, Rafeal Trejo. 11:30.
11:30, go there.
Yes, pick me up. City tour.
Okay, check about a house, Hemingway House, okay.
11:30
Okay, understand now.
You got you?
Yes.
So it's set.
Okay.
Set. Muy bien.
Yes, already.
All right.
I understand, my friend.
For sure, bro. See ya.
Yes, sir.
Hasta luego.
30 minutes. Stand here. Go there for you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. See you later.
See.